Hi, my name is Jennifer Warner, and I've been coming here to see Dr. John DeWitt for the last 8 years. When I first came in here, I really could not walk without hanging onto furniture. My back had severe scoliosis. The strength in my arms and my legs was extremely weak. I was really concerned about having some kind of muscular dystrophy. My eyes seemed to be getting weaker, and I was looking into getting stronger glasses. At any rate, I am walking far better. I certainly don't have any type of muscular dystrophy. My eyes, I don't wear glasses. And the support that I have received at the clinic and with Dr. John DeWitt is phenomenal. I want to thank him and Dr. Bergman's clinic from the bottom of my heart. Not only did he take care of me and my beloved partner, but over 15 of my family members. Thank you.